If you have diabetes, you need to know whether chicken breast is safe for your blood sugar. Chicken breast is one of the best protein choices for diabetes management. It contains 0 carbohydrates, which means it will not raise your blood sugar at all. The high protein content keeps you feeling full for 3 to 4 hours after eating. This natural satiety helps you avoid snacking on high-carb foods that spike blood sugar. Protein also supports muscle maintenance, and more muscle improves how your body uses insulin. A 100-gram serving gives you 31 grams of protein with only 165 calories. The preparation method matters more than anything else for blood sugar control. Grilled, baked, or boiled chicken breast works perfectly for keeping blood sugar stable. Avoid breaded or fried chicken because the coating adds carbohydrates and unhealthy fats. Skip chicken with barbecue sauce, teriyaki sauce, or honey glaze as these contain added sugars. Pair your chicken with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or cauliflower for a complete meal. This combination provides protein, fiber, and nutrients without spiking your blood sugar. You can eat chicken breast daily as part of a balanced diabetes diet. The key is simple preparation and smart pairing with low-carb vegetables for best results.